Alright guys, it's been a while since I posted a video. Today I come back with a new unboxing of a scroll saw which I just purchased online from Home Depot. This is a Wen brand, WEN 16-inch wearable speed. After looking online for so many weeks, researching which one is a good saw for the beginners, I came to conclusion this was one of the best, and the pricing was only 82 bucks. With the tax was probably $90. So that being said, I'm gonna unbox it and we'll see how it goes. Alright, you have this manual right here with instructions. You have 2 years warranty with this. I'll let you know how it is. Some extra blades. This looks ready out of the box. Already have a blade installed for you. I heard the blade wasn't that hard to put in, so that's not bad. This is a flashlight. This is the air blower, so you can pretty much extend it. There's a hose. Alright, so the blade is pretty simple to replace. You just push this button first, open this, lift it up, and then push this down. Those are for the pinless, and then pretty much slide it off. Comes right off, and then you can just put it right back. Hook it on the bottom. Very simple. Push it down this thing. The pipe goes right here. That's your ear that will be blowing to the wood to get the dust off. So very simple. I hope I can move this. This is a nice feature that you can flexible light. Alright, so this machine comes with the two blades extra. One is pinless, one with the pin. So you have pinless and pin. So if you use a pinless, you have to use one of these, the adapter. These are pinless adapters. You gotta put this on, then they go right here. See it? And then one goes on the bottom. So for the price, it's pretty decent. Let's cut a piece of wood. Alright, this is plugged in. There's the exhaust for the vacuum. Let's see how it goes. There's the flashlight. You can see the speed. Anywhere from 400 to 1600. See the full speed. for the blades, I believe. Alright guys, that being said, this is looks like a good saw, and it had like 400 some reviews on Home Depot, and everyone has good to say about this saw. So alright guys, this is it. I'm gonna wrap up the video. If you like this video, smash the like button, click on the logo to subscribe, and watch more video I'll be posting here and here. Alright, that being said, thank you for watching, and thanks for the support and subscribing. Bye.